Trust Wallet is a well-known self-custody cryptocurrency wallet that provides users with a seamless gateway to manage a vast array of digital assets. Since its launch in 2017, it has grown into one of the leading platforms for individuals looking to take control of their crypto portfolios. One of the app's most attractive features is its versatility. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or any of the hundreds of other supported assets across over 100 blockchains, Trust Wallet supports it. It's a fantastic platform for both beginners and experienced users, offering an intuitive, user-friendly interface for managing crypto, NFTs, and even decentralized finance (DeFi) services. At its core, Trust Wallet aims to provide users with true ownership over their assets. Unlike centralized exchanges where the platform controls your private keys, Trust Wallet empowers you to retain full control. You manage your own private keys, which means you're the only one who can access your wallet. There's no middleman, and no one can freeze or lock your funds. You have full custody. This self-custody model is a major selling point for those who value decentralization and security. The app supports more than 10 million digital assets, including cryptocurrencies and NFTs, and allows users to buy, sell, swap, and stake their crypto. It's a complete all-in-one platform for crypto enthusiasts, offering powerful tools for those involved in the growing Web3 ecosystem. The ability to swap tokens, interact with decentralized applications (dApps), and earn rewards through staking makes it a valuable resource for users wanting to explore the world of decentralized finance. One of Trust Wallet's most impressive features is its integration with decentralized exchanges (DEXs) for token swapping. The swap functionality allows you to trade a wide range of tokens directly from the wallet, and Trust Wallet partners with third-party services like Thorchain, 1inch, and Mimic to ensure you get the best rates for your trades. While Trust Wallet itself doesn't charge any swap fees, you'll still need to pay network gas fees and any applicable fees from third-party providers. The platform also provides slippage protection to minimize price fluctuations during the transaction, making it a reliable choice for users who want to swap crypto assets without the typical price volatility. Another strong feature of Trust Wallet is its staking options. Staking allows users to earn passive income by locking up their crypto to help secure blockchain networks. Trust Wallet offers staking for a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, Polkadot, Cosmos, Solana, and many others. The staking process is straightforward and can be done directly within the app. Depending on the asset you stake, you can earn a percentage return on your holdings, which can be a great way to increase your crypto portfolio over time. In terms of security, Trust Wallet takes several measures to protect users' assets. With privacy and security at its core, the platform implements strong encryption and regularly undergoes independent audits from trusted firms like Certic and Kudelski. Trust Wallet also supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, and has proactive alerts for risky transactions, which can help users avoid common scams and fraud in the crypto space. Additionally, Trust Wallet offers encrypted cloud backups and even allows you to link a hardware wallet for extra protection. One of the standout aspects of Trust Wallet is its commitment to privacy. Trust Wallet doesn't track any personal information, including IP addresses or transaction balances. You can set up a wallet without needing to provide any personal data, which is a rare feature in the crypto space where many platforms collect user data. This privacy-first approach helps users feel more secure and ensures that their sensitive information is not shared with third parties. Trust Wallet also boasts an impressive support system for NFTs. With the rise of NFTs in recent years, Trust Wallet has integrated features that allow users to store, manage, and even showcase their NFTs within the app. This is particularly useful for those who are active in the NFT market, as it eliminates the need to switch between multiple apps. You can manage NFTs across various blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, and others, all within Trust Wallet, making it a one-stop shop for your digital collectibles. The app is available for mobile devices, iOS and Android, and as a browser extension which allows for flexibility and ease of access. Whether you're at home on your desktop or on the go with your mobile device, Trust Wallet ensures a consistent experience across platforms. The design is clean and easy to navigate, which is especially helpful for newcomers to the crypto world. Trust Wallet also provides educational resources and a strong community where users can engage with others, share tips, and learn more about cryptocurrency, NFTs, and DeFi. One of the challenges, though, is that Trust Wallet can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming for beginners, especially when it comes to navigating the world of DeFi and NFTs. While the app offers a wealth of features, the decentralized nature of crypto can be complex and intimidating, particularly when interacting with dApps or exploring staking and swapping. However, Trust Wallet does a great job of providing educational content and security tools, which can ease the learning curve. Despite its many strengths, Trust Wallet does have a few drawbacks. For one, the app doesn't provide a built-in exchange for buying crypto with fiat money. While it integrates with third-party services like MoonPay and Simplex to buy crypto using credit cards or bank transfers, some users might prefer a more seamless, integrated exchange experience. Additionally, the app's reliance on third-party providers for certain features, like swaps, means that users might experience occasional slowdowns or higher fees depending on the provider. Another potential downside is that Trust Wallet doesn't support as many coins and tokens as some of the larger platforms. While it covers the major assets and has a huge selection of altcoins, some users may find that it lacks support for more niche tokens. This might be a limitation for users who need access to a specific coin or token. Overall, Trust Wallet is a comprehensive and secure wallet that provides an all-in-one solution for managing your crypto assets. It's an excellent choice for anyone who values privacy, security, and true ownership of their digital assets. Whether you're a beginner just entering the world of crypto or a seasoned DeFi user, Trust Wallet's diverse features, ease of use, and strong security measures make it one of the top wallets in the space. It's clear that Trust Wallet is committed to helping users explore Web3 safely and securely, and that dedication has earned it the trust of millions around the world. If you're looking for a wallet that offers both convenience and control, Trust Wallet is a solid option worth considering.